Do you know the road to mediocrity is smooth and it all starts with a swipe? Your phone and mine was meant to be a tool, but for many of us it has become a trap. What if the very device that you're holding in your hand is silently killing your dreams? So in today's episode, we'll see how to break free before it is too late. So let's dive right in. Are you someone who knows what to do to get results, but cannot make yourself do it? If you're tired of getting in your own way and want to stop doing that, then this might be the podcast that changes everything. Welcome to Rajesh Murthy's Podcast. Everything in moderation and nothing in excess. A great philosophy to live by, isn't it? But for many people around us, the road to mediocrity is paved with distractions, and their biggest obstacle can be a simple device that fits in their palm. So what is supposed to be a blessing has become a ball and chain for most people around us, and you don't want to belong to that world, isn't it? So let others lead ordinary lives, but not you. Let others settle for less. Let them allow their screen swipes to dominate their lives, but not you. And if you think I'm exaggerating, just look around everywhere. The airport, elevators, stations, and almost everyone is oblivious to the world that is around them. They don't live in the moment. And I've consciously decided not to spend all my life, all my time looking down at a device. You know why? Because I refuse to do it. Because that is no way to live. Because a single device in your pocket holds the power to derail your dreams if you allow it to consume most of your time and focus. The word to be underlined here is if you allow. For many of us, our phone makes us dumber and slower when it is not around or when we are not using it. I don't know how many of you have seen, for a few of us, the mere sight of our mobile phone can distract us, even if we are not using it. So what do? You put your phone out of sight and hearing range when you want to concentrate. And I've called my own phone twice this week just to find out where it is. So I think I've got this one covered. So in a world where every minute counts, wasting time on a mobile screen means wasting a life. So what do? Stay focused and let your mobile phone and mind be a gateway to intentional knowledge and opportunities. Let it not be a road to mediocrity. And the best thing is here. If you break free from this ball and chain that we've been speaking all along, you will discover that there are endless possibilities that await you beyond these digital chains. You can buy back your life. You can reclaim your life. So refuse to be another sad soul sedated by a screen. Talk soon. Thank you for listening. For more insights and deeper shifts, subscribe to this podcast or explore more at rajeshmurthy.com.